Hey guys, it's been quite a while since I last made a video. We've been really busy with the wedding season and we've just moved houses. So in the coming months I'll be making more videos again. So if you have any requests, please let me know. Today's video is going to be about the live view touchscreen on the 5D Mark IV. So a few months back I made a review about the 5D Mark III against the 5D Mark IV, and one of the big advantages of the 5D Mark IV is the touchscreen, which works so well in compared to the older cameras that I actually find myself using this feature a lot. So one of the more obvious reasons why you'd want to use the live view is that you can more easily shoot higher or lower than yourself. So during the wedding day, for example, I shoot a lot on the live view during reception time, for example. So I can shoot over the shoulders of people. So I must say, for really fast moments where things are going quickly, the live view is still too slow on this camera, so I'm hoping that, for example, the Canon EOS R will be better in this. So this camera tracks faces really well. I'm using it right now to record this video, but it works just as well when you're taking pictures. What this allows me to do is, when I have the live view enabled, is that I let the camera find a face, for example, of the couple, or use the touchscreen to select the face, and then it will track it throughout the frame. So what this allows me to do is get a lot more creative with my compositions, because I don't have to switch my focus point all the time. I can try out things and it will track the faces, especially when you're a little bit closer, or when you're shooting a really shallow depth of field. For example, we recently bought the 51.2, which is said not to be the most accurate lens, but with the live view and the face recognition, it's a lot more accurate than it is with the optical viewfinder. When I'm using the screen, you see what you get. So your exposures will be, well, almost perfect. And using the optical viewfinder, of course, you sometimes chimps to check, but my experience is that my exposures are better when I'm using the live view than when I'm using the optical viewfinder. So on this camera you have two ways to take photos using the touchscreen. You have what they call the touch shutter. So what this means is that you tap the screen somewhere and it will focus and take a shot right away. You see that it's kind of slow to use it this way. So what I much prefer is to disable the touch shutter, to just select the object you want to photograph and it will track it. So I hope I've inspired you to use the screen on the 5D Mark IV more if you have this camera or a similar camera. So you'll be hearing again from me soon, I hope, on the Canon EOS R. So if you'd liked this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then please subscribe. Bye.